A curve has equation sin y ln x equal to x minus 2 sin y. Find dy by dx in terms of x and y. So you need to find dy by dx. Okay, first given equation is sin y ln x is equal to x minus 2 sin y. Clear? Now you need to find dy by dx. So to get dy by dx, you should differentiate on both sides. What do I mean is, take d by dx on both sides. So d by dx on both the sides I have taken. Okay, now how do you differentiate this one? D by dx of sin y ln x. See here, when I read this, I realized that it is a product of sin y and ln x. Whenever you want to differentiate a product, you should make use of the formula UV rule, and that is d by dx of UV. For every differentiating a product, you should make use of this UV rule, and the formula is V du by dx plus U dv by dx. How will you understand this formula? Means differentiate one at a time, starting with u. When you are differentiating u, v outside. When you are differentiating v, u outside. In another words, to say differentiate one at a time with a plus sign between them. Now here also the same thing. Apply UV rule onto this one. That is, differentiate one at a time. So if ln x is outside, I differentiate sin y. And the next time sin y will be outside, I will differentiate ln x. Clear? Next, on this side, take d by dx onto this one and also onto this one. So what do I get? D by dx of x minus d by dx of 2 sin y. Clear so far, right? Now let us differentiate. So ln x outside, d by dx of sin y. What do you get? See man, d by dx of sin x is cos x. So here sin y you will get cos y. And one more thing, good practice is whenever you are differentiating to the answer, write into d by dx of whatever letter is present. Good practice it is. D by dx of whatever letter, you write it to the answer. Next, plus sin y. Now what is d by dx of ln x? Differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. Okay, and the good practice is write d by dx of this letter x. No doubt it becomes 1, but sometimes what many do is they forget to write here, thinking that anyhow it will become 1. So to not do that mistake, every time whenever you are differentiating to the answer, write this d by dx of whichever letter is present. Okay, next. So here dx is 1 minus, over here you see 2 will not play any part in differentiation, so 2 will come outside. So now d by dx of sin y, again sin y will change to cos y, and d by dx of whatever letter present, that is y. Clear with this? Now I want to get dy by dx. So get all dy by dx terms one side and then make dy by dx the subject. So dy by dx is present over here and over here. So what I do is I shift this thing to this side. So what do I get? Ln x cos y dy by dx. Here you have minus. When you shift, it will become plus 2 cos y dy by dx. Okay, now and here one, you have this one over here, shift it to the other side. Our aim is to make dy by dx the subject. So rest all to the other side. So here it is 1 and here it is plus. When you shift, minus sin y by x. Clear? Now from these two, take dy by dx common. So what do I get if I take dy by dx common? I get here ln x cos y plus 2 cos y is equal to. Now here if I take LCM, what do I get? LCM will be x. 1 should become x, so multiply denominator and numerator with x. So you get x minus sin y. Clear? Now, to get dy by dx, you should get rid of this bracket. For that, divide by that. So divide by ln x cos y plus 2 cos y on both sides. So ln x cos y plus 2 cos y. Okay, now this cancel out, you are left with dy by dx, that is equal to x minus sin y by x brackets ln x cos y plus 2 cos y. Hence, I have found dy by dx. Is it clear?